I was actually not reading
Yes.
anything, and I was actually working on getting our stream to look better,
A
so that
stream, yeah.
chat won't be as pissed off about things. And
Right.
we failed miserably because unfortunately our laptops suck, our cameras suck, everything sucks, and we suck. But Sid told me, "Hey, bro, you need to read some manga because you haven't read anything
Yes.
this week." And I decided to take a look at my the manga that I have in my shelf right here. And I realized I haven't read Assassination Classroom, so I started reading that. And there was a time where I started Assassination Classroom, and I was not very happy with it. I read the first two chapters, or the first
Same
chapter.
pinch.
Yeah, and
Yeah.
I was like, big deal, this is
Yeah.
And then it turns out I really fucking love it. Okay, it's beautiful. Assassination Classroom might just be one of my favorite manga now. It's amazing. I have
Yeah, dude.
a lot of pictures saved, ready to show.
It blew
For
your
people
mind.
to- yeah, it
I
blew my
was, you
mind.
messaged me. You were like, "Yo, this manga, dude." And I was like, "Yo, what the fuck, did Bru read? What blew his mind so much? Like, yo, that's rare, you know."
It's
so I
rare,
was like, "Yo,
yeah.
what the hell?" And
Yeah.
then it's like Assassin. I'm like, "What? I remember this shit from like years ago. I remember not liking it that much and
Yeah.
like leaving it." But damn, surprised me that you like that. Yeah.
Yeah, really, it surprised me as well. I genuinely thought I would not like it. And but then it was also my mistake because I thought it was like a shonen manga where it was going to be about assassinations,
Yeah.
and they're just going to be fighting all the time and just killing all the time. But I was pleasantly surprised. It was much better than what I expected. I did not expect it to be a comedy manga, and that's what it is. It's pretty fucking good for a comedy manga, and it's not full gag. So I was telling Sid, it reminded me of Katekyoshi Hitman Reborn, and if you guys haven't
Oh,
checked
yeah,
that
you
out,
did say
you
that.
should. It's pretty funny, pretty good manga,
Pretty
and
old school good shit. Yeah.
yeah, old school good shit basically. Yeah, so that was
And for those who are just joining, if you're like, "Oh, why is there a tentacle monster on the screen right now?" Don't worry, we'll explain ourselves.
will we this was Audie's wet dream, and Sid drew it out.
Yes,
Right.
that's true.
It's a shame we're not getting any money for it though, but yes, sure.
Okay, that is Koro Sensei from Assassination Classroom.
Yes, Koro
So,
Sensei.
the basic story of Assassination Classroom goes that the moon was destroyed one day, and it just left a crescent shape instead of
That's
the whole
Soul Eater
moon.
for you.
Yeah, probably. And this monster is supposed to be responsible for it, and he says, "I will teach this classroom." And the government is like, "Okay, see, so this monster is going to teach you, and you guys are going to be equipped with like guns and swords and shit, and you have to kill this monster by the end of the year because
Yeah,
he's
yeah.
going to destroy the earth by the time this is
And
all
they're the
over."
worst students ever,
10
right?
months.
Like,
Yeah.
It's like the worst students ever are in
Yeah,
this
so-
class. Like
so
the
the-
degenerates of the degenerates, right?
Yeah, so the school aims, the principal is very strict about his academic ideology, and he believes that there has to be a scapegoat class, and so that every other student is compared to them, and they're scared. They're like, "Hey, if you don't study, you're going to end up like class E. You want that shit to happen? You want to go to class E?" And people are like, "Holy shit, I don't want to go to class E. Okay,
Yeah, they're
I'm
full
out."
criminals. Yeah.
And so the principal has paid a lot of money to keep this monster a secret because he's a government secret and so on. And the
Yep.
kids have to kill him, except normal bullets can't hurt him. So they have the special anti-sensei, this anti-sensei material which they make bullets out of and swords out of. So they can't kill humans. They can only kill this monster. Except this monster can move at Mach 20 speeds. And
yes, Mach 20 apparently.
Mark 20.
and
Sorry,
he can.
Audi, Mach 20.
Oh, sorry, Mach 20. And
Yes.
he can.
What?
And he can also regenerate his limbs, so you'll have to actually destroy him completely or destroy his heart, and only then can you kill him. So because he can move at such insane speeds, he keeps moving and avoiding all the bullets that are being shot
Yeah.
at him, and he encourages students to be creative while trying to kill him. So one student actually makes like a grenade with these anti-sensei bullets inside, and he goes for a kamikaze attack, and this Koro Sensei is like, "Dude, you're not supposed to like kill yourself
You're
trying
not
to
supposed
kill
to do
me.
that, yeah.
You're supposed to kill me, not yourself. So can you like chill? Can you like not?"
Nagisa, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, he
Nagisa.
fulfills his duties as a proper sensei. Like he
Yeah,
does
so
sensei
the
stuff.
thing is, this might very well be the best teacher ever in existence. and I can say that with a good amount of confidence because tell me how many people are in chat right now?
0.
Yeah, basically
least for YouTube, when
three
you're
on
zero.
each. 3 on each
Okay,
platform. But yeah,
cool.
anyways.
Before too many people join in, there was once this time that this in my school. Now my school is in the middle of nowhere. Okay, opposite
Yes.
my school is this giant field, and my classmates used to pass the time by watching dogs in heat doing their stuff in the middle of the class.
Sounds like fun.
And sometimes, and there was even an incident
Quite a
where they got
pastime.
tired of the dogs and they saw 2 pigeons going at it, and they started laughing like crazy. And my teacher had to explain to the class, the pigeons are playing with each other, and all the
What the hell?
all the guys
Is your
were like,
school
yes.
like a breeding ground for animals in that area or something?
Yeah, it basically,
Well, it's in the middle of a forest,
it's
so yeah.
because it's the only building in that entire area. So the opposite is just this giant empty piece of land, and then there's the
Yeah.
highway at the horizon over there. So it was just like a breeding ground for animals. Once a whole group of cows just came there and chilled. And
Chill,
once
he says.
yeah, no, the cows actually weren't banging.
Okay,
and
okay.
one of those times, like my dad had an off from work, and I think he had come with my mom to pick me up, my mom and sister, and they brought my dogs along. Okay, and that was the first time my dogs had seen like a cow, and they both are like standing at inside the car with their heads outside, like, what the fuck is that? And they're like, I'm like, okay. Like I walk out of class, I walk out of school, and like, okay, I have to catch the bus home, and I heard these two barking. I'm like, yo, why does that bark sound familiar? And then I see my dog standing, and they're like, yo, who these cow? Yeah, but yeah, that was like a common occurrence, and we got some prestigious person visiting the school once for some
Prestigious.
particular program, and they wanted to put a good impression. Like the person was going to teach the class, and what they did was very similar to what this manga people in this manga
What he
did,
told you
which
to
is
try to kill him?
no, the teachers
Okay.
came to each class. We had 3 sections. They came to each class, and they chose students who were like annoying in class, or they were like
Yeah.
bad students, or they weren't academically great, and I was part of that, and they dumped all of us into one class. And they
Right.
told us, like, you know what, we're just going to teach you some random shit for the entire day, because that dude is going to give a seminar, and we don't want you idiots to be in that class and bring down our school's name. Not that they needed help to bring down their name.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
pretty
yeah.
shit anyway.
Of course.
Yeah, so I
Big
was
call
part
out.
of class E basically, and our teacher spent a lot of time talking about how we were idiots, and that's why we were in that class. And my friend next to me was making some random noise and talking to some guy behind me, and I was just like, dude, I don't know anyone over here. Nobody likes me. I'm just going to sit and be quiet. And then the teacher comes up, and she thought I was talking to the dude, and she made us both stand up, and she's shouting at us. And she turns, okay, she walks, and she's saying, this is why you guys are not in the class. And the minute she's like out of earshot, this dude next to me, he had just heard Guns N' Roses, this thing, Sweet Child of Mine, probably his first English song. Okay, and he didn't understand the song properly,
Yes,
and
of
he didn't
course.
know how to sing it properly. He only knew the Sweet Child of Mine line. So the minute she went out of earshot, he just went, oh, sweet child of mine, in that voice. And I burst out laughing, and my teacher is like, is this funny to you? I'm like, shit, dude, this is not what I wanted. This isn't my fault, goddammit. It's this dude. How did you not hear that?
You got
Nice,
got
nice.
got you
Okay,
got
listen,
trapped.
okay,
Yes, good
I
one.
didn't expect that guy to be singing Sweet Child of Mine in that horrible voice in the middle of getting a freaking shouting from a teacher for already being in the dumb class.
You should have just
Well-
gone all in and just laughed it out in front of the teacher itself.
My God.
Yeah.
But yeah, so I can understand the feeling of being in class E, which is what happens here in this manga. But Koro Sensei is a very nice teacher. He really genuinely cares for the students, unlike my teachers, and he genuinely wants them to grow into being better people and good.
You've never had good teachers in your
In my
your
school,
experience?
Once.
god damn no.
No, like overall,
in school.
whatever teacher
Overall,
Actually,
taught you.
overall, I've had
You
good
have, right?
teachers.
Yeah, you told me about them.
But Koro Sensei, much better teacher than all these teachers, I must say, because he can fly at insane speeds and do a lot of other cool things. So,
Well, that's what makes him a better teacher, that he can fly.
okay, listen. The ability to fly gives him a lot of leverage to do things that other teachers cannot. Okay, like one guy is interested in baseball, so Koro Sensei, he travels to baseball games around the world and observes them and comes back and gives him advice based on what he can do. Can a normal teacher do that?
Not
Which
really.
one?
No, not even then. Like he legit just
Crossing countries
flies.
kind of is a task in and of itself. So,
Yeah, and so the thing is, he's supposed to be like really smart. So his tentacles can, like, if he touches your muscles, he can figure out
Yeah,
how
he
if
can
your body
feel
is
the
working normally.
body, yeah.
So he
Please don't touch my muscles with your tentacles.
He holds the baseball player with his tentacles, and he comes back to this guy and he's like holds him with his tentacles, and he's like, see, you have this talent. You don't have to be like
Yeah.
this guy.
When I came across that one panel, I just had thoughts going, this is not the
When
manga
did
I
Audi
expected.
start
it to be.
reading this? Wait, I'm somewhere. Audi has read Assassination Classroom. What?
Yesterday,
I'm
he
surprised.
started
Yesterday.
Yeah, this is not a bit, Audi. I actually didn't know you read it. Okay.
I see. Since day before yesterday.
Wow. Okay.
I'm
nice.
sorry, none of this is a bit. Like, our podcast is usually just us being candid. There is no bit.
Yes.
No,
included.
whenever I say Audi, you've seen Cowboy
okay.
Bebop.
Yeah.
He's like, yeah, I've seen it. Why he gets pissed, right? So that's why I was like, being careful here.
But yeah, so basically, the Koro Sensei does a lot of cool stuff, and Sid, you might actually like a lot of the things he does, because what he does is he travels around Japan, okay, to go to like specific
does.
places to get
Yeah.
the things he likes. So he has a sweet tooth, so he goes around Japan getting different desserts and cakes and stuff,
Damn.
and he eats them, and then
He
he
went
goes.
to Hokkaido to get shaved ice.
Yeah,
no, he went
goes-
to the
he
North
went to the
Pole
North
to
Pole.
get shaved.
Yeah, he went to the
Yeah,
Hokkaido
right.
for something else. But basically, he goes to Hokkaido. He's like, oh, it's too hot over here, so I'm going to go to Hokkaido and chill. Then he goes to Mount Everest
My
and
boy.
chills.